Hi, we're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we'll be looking at the Encore walk-behind mower with a Briggs engine. This mower does have a 32-inch fixed deck. We do have the front 360 swivel wheels. There is a flip up floor panel for access to your spindles. This mower does have an easy pull pin cutting height adjustment with cutting heights from 1.5 to 4 inches. The rear tires are 13x5s. This mower does have a 10.5 horsepower Briggs & Stratton high performance engine. There is a Recoil start system as well as a fuel capacity of 2 gallons. Coming to the rear of this mower, we do have the T-bar style controls with the throttle, drive, and release, as well as the controls on the front. This mower does have a rubber chute and a top forward speed of 3.5 miles per hour. Once again, this is an Encore 32-inch Recoil start Briggs & Stratton mower. If you are interested in this mower or any other mower we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.